Hello. Welcome. As usual, for a Saturday morning, you join me here. It is 5:29 a.m. on Saturday. We're going to another estate sale. Never to the left. Oh, that cart was a jack of wheels.
Oh my god, oh my god. Ew, this looks terrible.
We're allowing 22 in at a time, and you have to have a face mask on to come in.
Go?
Yep, go for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, go check it out. Make sure you're
There's
good.
one other thing.
Hit record, see.
Okay.
Hit record.
Yep, I'll pull for you. You're good.
Yep.
Thank you.
No problem.
How you doing?
Good. Come on in. You're looking for something I can try to point you in the right direction. How are you?
Where's the Bose clock ring?
He just asked me that.
Oh, okay.
I'm not 100% sure. Oh, no, it's in the kitchen. Alright, so this one is a set. See, this goes like that. We're a set,
Yes,
25 a set.
And I do. But why did you say 20? I know.
Nope.
Oh, maybe old? That's what I'm thinking. That would be crazy. Look, they're $5 each.
Switch one lamp to the other.
Excuse me.
Ask him because I can't look at
The ducks are ceramic, so they're no.
They're the one, all of them are?
Yep.
You sure they're still not worth any money?
To ship them though, I don't know what to do.
Just grab them. They're $5 each.
But babe,
People collect this shit though.
I'm afraid this stuff's gonna break.
These are wood. This is wood. That's wood. That's wood.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Well, to look at. You might see the popcorn.
Yeah, so as long as this tag is still on.
Can I just hold it?
Then you pull this and it's yours. Alright? And then when you go to cash out, just show her that and we'll carry it out. You're welcome.
Yes, I know. Something about it I just don't like.
Your gloves.
Mm-hmm.
You didn't find the radio?
What?
You didn't find the radio?
Yeah, I did. It was $250. Yeah. Not. Mm-hmm. What? No.
Maybe the top one somebody.
Yeah, it could have been.
This was over here, yeah.
I could do like a buck each on these.
Alright, thank you.
And then I don't know if Tony told you, I texted them this morning and they said this week will be good to transfer.
Okay, so.
Yeah, so definitely not Monday, but someday after Monday this week.
Oh, so I can't take it, it's gotta stay here.
It's typewriter, I think.
Well,
just
no, you could take it, but I mean, it's gonna, I mean,
Legal.
and the transfer's not done, I would rather you not drive it.
Okay.
If you were getting it towed, I would be cool with that, but
Now.
yeah,
Well, there's
if
only
you're
like
driving it, I'd
15.
rather just wait
That is
just in case
oh,
something
eight.
Right.
happens.
So, yeah, as long as it's.
Yeah, I only have two.
Good seeing ya.
Ambridge sale next week is
Yeah,
phenomenal.
I saw that. I thought it was this week too.
Let me move these before they get smashed. All right. How are you guys?
Good, how are you?
Well. All right. How about you pull and I will add.
Sure.
All right.
Paper?
So 4 on that one. Yep.
This
12 for all of them, is that what it says? Or it says 2 each? Let's just say it says 2, 4, 6, 8, $10.
Sure.
Okay.
Yep.
I got 4 on the necklace. Okay.
Gloves, no
Okay.
prices.
So $3. And then the hand is 12.
This guy,
4, 4.
and this guy. Oh, oh cool.
I don't know.
Mine with his.
Let me just move this out of the way.
Alright, got it. Blanket. Alright. Oh my god. Here, I'll peek now. At this point, I think I can. 5. What is this guy? 2 up in there. 10 on the horses. Do you remember what Barbie was? I think it was $4. Yeah, $4. Okay. And then the price on the products. There was set. There we go. Set for 6. Okay. All right. So $90. All right. Thank you guys.
By the way, we have that blanket sitting on the chair before that stay.
Oh, yeah. You want it?
Yes.
$5. Yep. Thank you,
I
sir.
think it's 60.
Have the
60.
rest.
Thank you. Hopefully.
I'll put you to work. Awesome. Did you guys see the Ambridge sale, please?
Oh, yeah. We'll be there.
Another one of you guys is an Ambridge, and
Ambridge sales are always so
Excuse me.
well, it was like
Hello, everybody. Well, we're back from that estate sale. I'm just going to go over some of the stuff that we got. It wasn't, a big haul. There was, a fair amount of stuff in the house. Some of the stuff was, a little on the high side as far as price goes. I really wanted the Bose disc changer radio. It was like a clock radio with a disc changer underneath it, but they were asking $250 for it. The most I saw them selling for was $299. And that's just not enough. Once you pay for shipping and everything, you're only making like $30. So I'm not really going to pay that kind of money to only make $30. So it is what it is. You win some and you lose some, and it's all right. But we're happy with what we got. Going to go over some of this stuff with you right now. So first thing up are these ducks. They're mallards, I guess. Sorry. They're wooden mallards. These are no real brand on them here, but people do collect these. Some of them are worth a lot of money. So if you see some of these wooden mallards out there, some of them can be worth a lot of money, which is why we pretty much went right to them. These are not worth quite as much money, but they're worth a decent amount of money. These are worth $40 is what we have them listed for, and I think we paid $10 for them, so not a bad deal there. I do have a little mallard here. Look at how cute. Little mallard, listed this little guy for $10 as well. Now, next up, these are marble bookends. They are hands. They're onyx bookends, made in Mexico. These are really cool, really heavy, unfortunately, but they are worth a decent amount of money. These are worth about $50 right here. So we got 2 of them. The other one's right here. Isn't that cool? Both hands. We don't normally deal in bookends, but we decided to grab these too. These are also marble. They're horses. These are pretty neat. So we have those listed for $30 plus shipping. And then we've got this guy. I saw the brand on the bottom. Didn't really recognize the brand, but I did see that it said made in Hawaii. So I thought maybe this would be worth a little more than it was, but I just kind of grabbed it on a whim. It turned out, I mean, I paid $5 for it. It's worth about 30 bucks. So certainly worth the money here. I'm not sure what he is a statue of. Actually, there's a name right underneath there. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Right there. Your guess on the pronunciation is as good as mine, so I'm not even going to try it. But yeah, this little guy worth about $30. Pretty cool statue though, nonetheless. Then we got some Barbie stuff, some vintage Barbie stuff. We got the Barbie moped here. These are all going to be in a lot that we actually are auctioning, so I'm going to go over all of them with you. We got another Barbie moped. And then we got a whole box of Barbie and Ken dolls. They're not super valuable, but not super, they're not, you know, unvaluable. They are vintage Ken dolls. This is Ken here with his corduroy pants on. Pretty awesome. And then we got Barbie in her PJs. We got Ken in some leather pants and a pink shirt. Pretty fly. And then we got naked Barbie. And then we got Barbie in a robe. So I don't know. I never played with these things. So this is Barbie in a robe. It looks like she's wearing a bathing suit also. So we've got all these lotted together. I believe the naked one here is actually they have a different name for them, but I'm not sure what it is. Because she is a little smaller than the rest of them. But we do have the lot listed as an auction, starting off at $20. So we paid $10 for everything. So we've got, doubling our money basically at the first bid. So yeah, we have them listed right now, starting bid at $20 for this and the 2 mopeds. So not a bad little buy there. And then we got some jewelry, nothing crazy expensive as far as jewelry goes. These are just a set of earrings. And we got this brand new, it's like a necklace. Come on, camera, focus. Come on, you know you want to. There we go, necklace. And those we have listed for $5 each. So, you know, not a big amount of money, but you know, they're smalls and they're easy to ship, and we love small stuff. We got these drawers that you see behind me every day. These are all full of smalls, and we love selling smalls because they're just super easy to ship. No real guesswork there. So, and then the last thing I got, I think I'm going to keep it because it's pretty awesome. Got this. It is Pittsburgh Post-Gazette from Wednesday, August 15th, 1945, and I bet you can guess what happened on that day. So yeah, it's the end of World War II. Pittsburgh Post-Gazette says the war is over, and it has peace and a hand holding the world there. Pretty awesome. I don't think I can get rid of it. I think I'm going to keep it. Value wise, I hate to really take a guess on this because this would all be based on somebody that would really want this. And there are a lot of them out there. They sold a ton of papers back then, especially on that day. I've seen these very frequently. If I had to take a guess, it's probably worth about 20, 30 bucks. But it's something that you could auction in and end up being worth 50 or 60 because the right buyer, that somebody would really want this. You know, there's a lot of Pittsburgh Post-Gazettes around here, but maybe somebody that moved from Pittsburgh lives in California, they're not going to find this, so they pay a little more money for it. So these are those things that we would put on auction, but this is getting framed and put in the house, so pretty awesome. Just had to share it with you guys. Next and last is what there was the most of at this sale, and we didn't get a lot of it, but Sarah did snake these 2 guys while everybody was kind of crowded around. These are vintage Pyrex. I guess we call these loaf pans. I'm not 100% certain on what exactly they are, but they're tiny little red Pyrex pans. See that? And they're old. I don't think there's a year on here. No year. But these are pretty valuable. I haven't done too much research on these guys yet, but we're guessing probably in the $40, $50 range for these little guys. So we may put them on auction. We haven't really decided, but this was probably the best find of that estate sale. So, all right, guys, and that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, estate sales were kind of light this weekend. This was probably the best one we could find. So, you know, is this the earth-shattering home run haul? No. Not by any stretch. But will we make profit? Absolutely. And it was certainly the best one for what we sell. So, you know, it is what it is. Some weekends are great, some weekends aren't. This one was just average. Next weekend, there's some really big sales that we're really hopeful, so we might have some really good hauls coming up next weekend, and that's just the nature of the beast, unfortunately. Sometimes you have great weekends, sometimes you just have average weekends, and that's what this was. All right, we're going to wrap it up there. I know you guys are out there. I know you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, so, and if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button for me. I really would appreciate it. It really helps the channel grow, and it makes me feel better. So, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Take care. Bye.
Good day, sir!